travel often leaves you with leftover foreign currency on your multi-currency wallet. For YouTrip users, the common question is, can I transfer this money back to my bank? The answer is actually a lot clearer now, but still comes with some specific rules. Historically, YouTrip was primarily a travel spending and foreign exchange card, and transferring funds back to a bank account wasn't a standard feature, which is common for many prepaid multi-currency cards. The funds were meant to be spent. However, YouTrip has since introduced a bank withdrawal feature for Singapore users, allowing you to transfer funds back to your own linked bank account. But this new freedom comes with some key conditions you need to know about. Firstly, not all balances are eligible. You can only withdraw funds that were topped up using PayNow or your linked bank account, and the top-up must have occurred after July 22, 2024. Any money you topped up with a debit or credit card, or money you received from another YouTrip user via YouTrip Send, cannot be withdrawn to your bank. This is a crucial distinction. Secondly, all bank withdrawals must be in Singapore dollars, SGD. If you have euros or US dollars left in your wallet, you'll need to convert them back to SGD first before initiating the transfer. Finally, there's a limit of 10 free bank withdrawals per calendar month. If you need to make more than 10, you'll have to request a refund which incurs an 10 Singapore dollar fee. So, while YouTrip now can transfer money back to your bank, it's not a free-for-all. It's only for certain, newer funds, and it's a process facilitated through PayNow to ensure the funds go back to an account in your name. Knowing these rules is the key to managing your multi-currency balance seamlessly.